we will see how we can create a video from the images that we created in the previous video. So what we're going to do is we are going to hop on to canva.com as we did, and then here we are going for YouTube Shorts template. So I'm going to go and search for Shorts, and here we will get the YouTube Shorts. Now it will give us the size of YouTube Shorts, which is of course a landscape mode. So here you can see we have a lot of video templates that we can use, but I'm going to go with the blank template because we are going to create it from scratch, of course. So I have created a blank template, and this is of course a video template because YouTube Shorts are videos. So here we are inside the editor, video editor by Canva, and here we can start using our images. Let's wait a couple of seconds. So we have everything refreshed. First thing first, just go over here and give it a name. So I'm going to go and give it a name of Shorts. So we are creating a YouTube short. And here down the bottom you can see we have a 5 seconds panel, which is this one. So if I click on this plus icon, it will create another 5 seconds. So now it is a 10-second video. Okay, so I can drag it over here to see the results on each second of the video, which is of course in this case blank. So we want to add some photos. So I'm going to go and click on upload and upload files. So I want to upload all the photos that we downloaded before. So I'm going to go over to desktop, and here are our 5 photos. So I'm going to go select all of these and click on open, and all of these photos will be uploaded over here. And then what we can do is we can add these photos over here and start creating our video. So what I want is I want these pages to be, I want these photos to be displayed for 2 seconds. So I'm going to go over and reduce it to 2 seconds, and let's delete this one. Now I want of course 5 of these, so I'm going to go click on here, duplicate. So we have 2, 3, 4, and last one 5. So we have 5 images over here. So if I drag this over here, you can see this image will be added over here, and it will go for 2 seconds. So as you can see, 2 seconds, and then voila. Now I want one more page which will be our first page. So another duplicate, place it over here to the front, and here I can add another image. So I can, let's go here and search for countries, map, maybe map or countries. So inside elements we can search for stuff, images, we can search for graphics, etc., etc., and we get those. So let's first search for countries or maybe maps, world map, and add that photo over here. Just go into photos, and here you can see we have these photos. Okay, so I've added this photo. This is looking good. If I double click over here, I can change the position of this photo and press on done. So now this is the first photo, and then we have this one. So if I go into uploads, let's add other photos. I'm going to go over here, add this photo over here, go over here, add this photo, come over here, add this one, and in the last add this last photo. So we have all the photos in place, and now we need some text. So I'm going to go click on text and add this heading over here. So increase the size of the headings and write what you want. So we want here to write countries. So let's change the color first. Let's change the color to white, and then write countries as warriors. So we have written countries as warriors. I'm going to go decrease the size, adjust it like this, and place it over here. So we have written countries as warriors, and then after that we can go over here to effects, and we want to give it a background effect. So there is a background. So we have given it a background effect, decrease the spread a bit. Now you can always go and change the color. So let's go and give it maybe a yellow color, orange or yellow. So we are given it a yellow color, and to the effect, let's give the effect a white color. So it's looking good. Another thing that you can do is into spacing. Let's go into spacing and let's reduce the spacing like that. Okay, so we have it over here, countries as warriors. So I want to place it right in the center, right in the middle. Okay, so here we go. So we have this over here. Now we can also go zoom in from here. I'll just go and copy this and let's place it on each of our photos and let's name them. So it was I think United States, USA. Okay, whatever the name was, I totally forgot which one was which. So let's name it Sweden. Let's name this one as Saudi Arabia. Make sure to name it exactly what what you searched for. So okay, Saudi Arabia. Let's go over here and name this one. I think this was India, and the last one, I think this was Egypt. Okay, so we have all the names like that. So the next step is to add animation. So I'm gonna go and click on this text, click on animate. Now I want this text to be animated in any of these ways. So let's see which one is looking good. I think the fade is good, quite good. I think the fade will look perfect. Okay, so everything else I think is a little bit of mess, but fade is like, you know, it's fading. So it's really simple. So I'm gonna go and give this exact fade effect to each of these texts. So I'm gonna go over to this one, fade, this one, fade, this one, fade, and the last one, let's name it as fade. So this is the first thing. And after that, what we can also do is we can animate the entire scene. So if I click over here, click on animate, and you can see. Okay, so this was it, and then we can add transitions. So if I go over here in the center, you can see I can add a page, and I can also add a transition. So if I click on transitions, so this is how one page, it will go from one page to another. So you can do it like this. This one, line wipe, slide. So you have all of these options. Select any of these. So the dissolve is good, so it's really simple. And also I like the color circle vibe, so I'm gonna go with circle vibe, and I'm gonna go and click on apply between all pages. So we have this circle vibe applied on all of these pages, which is really good. So let's play this video and see what is the results. Countries as warriors: United States, Sweden, Saudi Arabia, India, and Egypt. So okay, so for this one I'm gonna go and also write countries as warriors. Let's go and write part 1. So we will create, let's say you want to create a warrior for each of the countries. So there are hundreds of countries, so you can go and create this part 1 and then create other images and create part 2 and part 3, etc, etc. So people like the series type and they want to see all of these AI generated images. Another thing I want to say here that it is AI generated. People love AI generated stuff. There is no doubt about it. People love AI generated art. So countries as warriors, AI generated part 1. Okay, so this is cool. So this is our entire video. We can always go and see in the end that make sure to subscribe for part 2, etc., etc. But right now I think this is really good. So if I go over here, you can see the timing has changed. 1.8 seconds, this one is 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, and the last one is also 1.8 seconds, and that is because of the circle effect that we added. Okay, so from 2 seconds it has drastically decreased, and that's absolutely fine. So this one is looking really great. The next step is to add music. So you can do two things. First one I will teach you, and second one is really easy. First thing that you can do is you can go over here inside elements and inside audio, and here you can search for music. Okay, so search for any music that you like. Let's say you like this one. Just place your cursor in the front, and then let's say you like this music. So because there is a lot of music you need to check before you like something, so let's say you like this one, just click over here and it will be added to your timeline. It's really simple. Now if you play this video, it will also have the music with it, which is really cool. So you can also do this, and the other thing that you can do that is really simple. I'll just teach you that you need to go into the YouTube app on your phone, and then you need to search for relevant music that are trending. So any trending music, and you can use that same, just download this video without music, and when you are ready to upload onto the YouTube platform or TikTok, wherever you want to upload, so make sure to use that trending sound that you use. So everyone knows how to use that trending sound. You just need to save that sound and use it on your own video. You can do that, or you can use any sound, any music from Canva library. So if I play over here, so this is quite amazing. I'm gonna go and click on share, and then click on download to download it. So all 6 pages, of course, click on download, and your video will start downloading. This is it. As you can see over here, it's already started downloading. This is it. This is how you can create your own viral content. One thing that is really important is you can use this music, but if you really want to go viral, make sure to use the trending music, and that will really help you in succeeding in this competition. So if you create these videos on a regular basis, you will go viral in a couple of weeks. So start creating these videos and uploading it on YouTube and TikTok.